I am Rookie Rich, and you guessed right, we are going to talk about the fastest method to make money with GP4. And the first way to make money online is having a blog website. If you are not familiar with how that works, this is 2024, and you having your home blog website and monetizing it is the best way possible. You can earn money through your website by advertising on your website, by selling your digital products, and by affiliating. The way you can do that is create a blog website, start posting articles about any niche that you are interested in. And the connection between ChatGPT and having a website is that you are going to be able to make use of ChatGPT to look for niches that you can do, high ranking niches, trending niches, profitable niches that you can do in 2024. Let me show you an example of a website that makes use of ChatGPT to generate article ideas that they post on their website. So when you come to this website, as soon as you enter the website, you already notice what they are doing on the website. This website talk about how you can make money online and all of that. If you are able to make use of ChatGPT to get an idea, anything that you want, sport, game, just niche down so that whenever someone come on the internet to search for that topic, your website is going to pop up and immediately they will know what you are talking about on the website. So what our advice for you to do is just to go to ChatGPT and type in something like, what are the high profitable, high ranking niches that I can use to create a blog website in 2024? It will bring us the most profitable, high ranking niches for you to use. I mean, when there's ChatGPT, everybody's using it. All creators are using it in order for their work to be faster, to be easier. So why can't you use it to your own advantage? That's a e-commerce business. All you have to do is to set up an e-commerce store. So you can make use of Shopify, you can make use of Amazon, you can make use of eBay to sell your products. Like, there are so many products, trendy products that you can sell on these websites, on this platform. Let us say we want to sell on Amazon. What we are going to do is to go to ChatGPT and type in something like, can you give me 10 winning dropshipping products that are performing well on eBay right now? We want to choose one of these winning products that ChatGPT is able to generate for us. We want to copy that and go to Zik analysis and search if the product is doing well or not. And if you don't know how to build a Shopify store, just go to YouTube and search for how can I build a Shopify store. There are lots of videos that will pop up that you can make use of to fasten up the process for you.
The third method is with investment income.
There's a saying that says, in order for you to build wealth, you have to have patience and you have to have time. If you are someone that is interested into investing for a long time return, now S&P 500 is a group of top 500 companies in the United States. The best way for you to invest is to invest in a group of stock that you won't have to start to monitor your market. At the end of the day, you are minimizing your risk and you are maximizing your return by spreading your risk. So the way we are going to implement ChatGPT as a financial advisor is go to ChatGPT and type in something like, give me the top 5 index fund that has good return and low risk in the last 5 years. So as you can see, it's able to point out the top 5 that is actually good for us to use. Make proper research before you put your money into it, and you can invest into S&P 500 with money as low as $100. Let us check the first one. As you can see, the chart is increasing, it is steady and good to diversify. So yeah, those are the 3 top ways that you can make use of ChatGPT version 4.0 to earn money in 2024. I hope that you guys gain value from this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.